Right, so this video is a response to a question that I had on the chat for a previous video, and it was a question about the focus being animated and whether you could change that focus point. And so this was very interesting to me, and I thought maybe I could apply the focus object could be an empty. So I applied I made the empty the point of focus for the camera. So you can see in the depth of field, right here I chose empty, and then I animated the empty going forwards and backwards with these in amongst these trees. So you can see the empties going all the way through the trees. And then when we look at the camera in the rendered view, you can see also that the focus is where the empty is. Okay, so you can see how the focus is changing in amongst the trees. So very pleased to have the question on the chat, and it's good to see that it works. So thanks for watching.